Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is pizza paratha. So to make the stuffing for our pizza paratha, we'll be needing the following ingredients. To saute our vegetables, I'll be taking 1 tablespoon of oil. This is actually 2 tablespoons of oil. 1 tablespoon of oil to saute our vegetables. Some zucchini, about 1/4 zucchini. Half an onion which I have cut into small dices like this. 50 grams to 75 grams of paneer, again which I have cut into small cubes like this. 100 grams of broccoli which I have blanched in some hot water for about 2 minutes. Half a capsicum which I have sliced into small slices like this. 7 to 8 olives, 100 grams of mozzarella cheese which I have grated, half a tablespoon of mixed herbs, half teaspoon of basil, about half a teaspoon of pepper powder, salt to taste. Make our pizza sauce, I have taken around 4 tomatoes, blanched it in hot water for about 5 minutes, cooled it down and then peeled off the skin and put it into our blender jar and I have blended it. Half a tablespoon of garlic to make our pizza sauce, half a tablespoon of mixed herbs, half of basil, dry basil, a teaspoon of pepper powder. If you like more pepper or if you like your food to be more spicy, you can add half a tablespoon of pepper powder, or you can even add around half a tablespoon of chili flakes to 1 teaspoon of chili flakes depending on your spice level. Salt to taste. Using around 1 tablespoon of butter to toast our parathas. 1 tablespoon of oil again to make the sauce. Around 1 cup of wheat flour. Here I have taken wheat flour, you can even use maida, but I prefer to take wheat flour. Around 1 cup of wheat flour to make our parathas. So the first process to make our pizza paratha is to make our paratha dough. So first we'll add in salt, and here I have taken about half a glass of water. We'll use around half a glass of water to knead this. Once you've put all the atta and everything together and form a nice ball like this, just keep it aside. The remaining and pour water to that. Just combine it and bring it all together. Just mix it along with this. We need to make a soft dough. So ensure that the dough you're making is quite soft. Take a little bit of water in your palm like this. Spread it and just the dough again for about a minute like this. Now our paratha dough is done. Now we'll just keep it aside and we'll let it rest. So coming to the next process to make our stuffing. First we'll have to heat our pan on medium flame. As soon as our pan is heated, add in about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once our oil is heated, we'll add in our zucchini. We'll saute our zucchini for about a minute or 2. Flame on medium while sauteing your vegetables. Once our zucchini is sauteed for a minute, add in our onions, capsicum. Saute this also for about a minute. You can add your vegetables directly just like that, but if you saute it, your paratha will not become soggy. It will be nice and crisp. Add a pinch of salt at this point so that vegetables release all its water content. After a minute, we will add in our broccoli. Fry our broccoli for about 30 seconds to 50 seconds. We will add in our olives. Fry your olives for about 20 seconds. And next, add in your paneer. Fry your paneer for about 20 seconds. About pepper to this. About 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. About half a teaspoon of basil. We'll turn off our heat. It out in a bowl and we'll let this cool down. The similar pan we'll make our pizza sauce. Heat the remaining oil. It's heated, we'll add in garlic. Saute your garlic on medium flame. Don't brown your garlic. If you brown your garlic, then you'll get that bitter taste of it, which we don't want. Saute your garlic for about 30 seconds. Next, we'll add in our mixed herbs so that the oil and the mixed herbs get infused. In our basil as well. Now add in our blanched tomato puree. After we add our blanched tomato puree, we'll add in some salt to our sauce and some pepper. We'll saute this pizza sauce of ours till it reduces in its quantity, that when we spread it on our paratha doesn't become soggy. Saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Flame on medium while you're doing all of this. If you're new to cooking, then keep it on medium. If you're used to cooking, then you can keep it on high if you want to. Yeah. So now as you can see, the water content of our sauce has got reduced and it has become like a nice smooth sauce. So now we can turn off our heat and our pasta sauce is ready. So now once our sauteed vegetables are cooled down, we'll add in our grated cheese to this and mix it. Here I'm using mozzarella cheese. You can use any kind of cheese of your choice to make it, and again the quantity is to your wish. Now our stuffing is ready. Now we'll get into the next process of making our paratha. Now we are again checking back on our dough. It's nice and soft. At this point, we'll just apply very little oil on our fingers like this, and we'll just knead this with little bit of oil. Yeah, our dough is nice and soft and well rested. First, we'll make some small balls using our dough or pedas. Small pedas like this. Alright, so coming to the process of making our paratha, what we'll have to do is first we'll take one peda like this and we'll dust it with our flour and we'll roll this. Alright, so once we've rolled this, next what we are going to be doing is I'm going to take a small dabba that I have. If you don't have a dabba, you can take one peda, make it into two halves and roll it. So now I'll be using this as a cutter. Sit through all the corners so that it gets cut really well. So now we'll just take off the excess dough and we'll transfer this into another plate. Similarly, we'll roll in one more. Your parathas on medium thickness, not too thick, not too thin. And then now we'll again use our cutter and we'll just cut this. This really well on all the corners so that it gets cut really well. Take off all the excess. Now we'll move on to the next process of roasting our parathas. What we'll have to do here is first to heat our tawa on medium flame. Once our tawa is heated, just brush it with some oil, or some butter or oil according to your choice. We will roast this one side. We are only going to be roasting it just on one side. Once we roast it on one side, we'll just take it off the heat. We'll roast our one more paratha also just on one side. Now once we are done with this, we'll take this off the heat. We'll take the roasted side of the parathas and we'll spread in the sauce in the vegetable filling. Now in the ingredients, I forgot to tell you about the cheese slice. So I will be using one cheese slice on this, as well as we've used the mozzarella cheese. So this will taste really good with more cheese. If you want, you can reduce the cheese, minus out on the mozzarella cheese and just use the sliced cheese. Why here I'm going to be using the sliced cheese is, when I put the paratha on this, it will hold the shape, else it will not hold the shape. Now the cooked side of the paratha, we'll just put it on this. We'll cook the other side of the paratha. Again, we'll heat our tawa. Our tawa is heated. We'll again brush it with very little bit of butter. Place the side where there is cheese on the bottom of the tawa. Third, why we have cooked one side of the paratha first is because our pizza sauce that we have made will be very soggy, and if you're trying to make the paratha and then trying to put it on the tawa, there are chances that our the paratha might just fold it and break. So we don't want that. So to avoid that, we are going to be first roasting the one side of the paratha and then we'll roast the other side of the paratha. Press it on all the corners and flip it. Yeah, now as you can see, cooked really well. Roast it on each side for about 2 minutes. Our paratha on this side is also done. So now we'll just turn off our heat. Now our pizza paratha is ready. We'll just transfer this into our serving plates. So there you go. Our pizza paratha is ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, then do hit the like button and also do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button, so that you get notified with all the videos as soon as I upload them, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.